Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the signal chain, mic, interface, and headphones. Set input gain so the loudest moments hit about -6 dB. This prevents clipping while preserving headroom. Once done, use direct monitoring or low-latency DSP to hear exactly what's captured. Make sure cables are short and unplugged devices won't introduce hum. If you're using a dynamic or condenser, enable phantom power only on condensers and verify polarity. These first steps establish clean, reliable audio for everything that follows. Next, focus on the space and the signal path. Reduce room reflections by placing absorbers or thick blankets at first reflection points. This yields a drier, more consistent sound. Position the mic with a slight off-axis angle and maintain 15 to 30 centimeters distance to control proximity effect and sibilance. In your DAW, set the buffer to 128-256 samples for a balance of stability and low latency, and route separate tracks with clear naming so you can edit and process without confusion. Finish by polishing and exporting. Start with corrective EQ cuts to remove mud and harshness, then apply gentle compression around a 2:1 ratio to even dynamics. Add 1 to 3 decibels makeup gain only if needed. Use a de-esser for sibilance, then normalize to about -1 dB true peak and export a 24-bit WAV for mastering. If problems arise, troubleshoot fast. Re-record at lower gain, swap cables, or isolate and eliminate the noise source before heavy processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.